Hey, it's Faye and this is Day with Faye. Today is one of many videos for my wedding series. I'm filming this particular video before our actual wedding because it involves people's gifts, but this will be posting after our wedding, which is in 17 days at the time of this shooting. I am finally feeling like I think I've made peace with the craziness. I hope so. So for this video, I'm going to talk about the people that were involved in our wedding. We had a relatively low budget for our wedding, so a lot of this isn't as extravagant as some gifts can be, but I think that it is very personalized and cute, and I'm excited to show you guys what we got. So first up, we got presents for our moms. Unfortunately, Mike's dad passed away about 2 years ago, and I have not seen my biological father since I was 10. So we wanted to give something to our moms. Technically, Mike gave my mom this present, and technically I gave this present to Mike's mom. So, but we both picked them out together, and they basically are the same. So one thing that I really love is I love personalized tote bags. I think that they're very cute. For adults, I like to have the name on the tote bag so that they can use it as much as they like and anytime they see it. So this is Mike's mom's name. I think that this is very cute. Also, everything is in the description below for where we got things, which Etsy shops we purchased these things from. So hopefully that helps you guys out. But I thought that these are very cute. They're definitely very high quality, and I love the look of it. Our wedding is rustic themed, so I think that canvas bags are perfect. So this is a gift in and of itself, and my mom also got the same, except it's with her name. They both got 2 presents. So we wanted to give them a little jewelry dish, and each jewelry dish has a personalized engraving in it. So again, like as I was saying before, this is as a present from Mike to my mom, and the message inside the ring dish says, "I'll take care of her always." Now I think that these are really cute. Again, very rusticy, kind of a nice reminder to always look at when you get ready in the morning or whatever. You're like, oh, Mike is taking care of Faye. That's good. Now Mike's mom. So this is what I gave to Mike's mom, and it says, "Thank you for raising the man of my dreams." Also to our moms, we gave them a cute little stainless steel tumbler that comes with a reusable straw. And so Mike's mom gets this mother of the groom stainless steel tumbler. Now for our wedding, the colors are very muted and just natural. So that's why it's like kind of like this ivory color with rose gold. Rose gold is like probably the most loudest color we have, which is in my ring. One thing that I really want to say very quickly is that if you do shop for Etsy for your wedding, is please definitely buy that stuff at least 2 months before your wedding date, maybe a month and a half, but definitely 2 months before if your wedding is around a holiday. For example, my wedding's January 20th, which is during the crazy holiday season, New Year's Eve. A lot of shops will take time off because the shop owners will be on vacation, etc. So definitely be careful with that. I definitely am so happy that I bought this stuff a while ago. I still have 4 items that are expected to deliver soon, and I bought that stuff like early December, and I still haven't gotten it, and it's January 5th. And my mom's stainless steel tumbler is very similar. It just says Mother of the Bride. Overall, I think it's very cute. Again, I really like when it has your name, but I think that it's nice to have a memento that's like, hey, this is from Mike and Faye's wedding. I'm my mom's only child, and for Mike's mom, he is the first son to get married. So our wedding party is extremely small. Originally I had a larger bridal party group. We went through so many iterations and changes. We went from having a wedding to eloping to having a wedding again. And basically the date that we ended up choosing, my best friend couldn't make it. So it was very difficult to kind of just narrow down our bridal party. So then eventually we were like, we're not having anyone. And everybody was very cool. My friends were extremely understanding, and I thank you guys so much, love you. But eventually we decided to have one person on each side, and that was Mike's brother, Drew, and my best friend, Queenella. With Drew's, I didn't want to give the same tote because it didn't really feel like his style as much. I mean, even this I feel like might be a little bit pushing it because I don't know if he likes stuff with calligraphy. So this is a different style of tote bag that I got. It's definitely not as sturdy as the first ones that I showed you, but it's very relaxed, very chill. It is kind of see-through, which, yeah. So for Drew is my best man. And for him, again, we kept it pretty simple, but for him, he really loves Super Mario. So we got him a shirt. So we got him this shirt. Now, it's really hard, I think, when you buy stuff for best men, because I feel like a lot of it is like stereotypical, like if you had to draw up what guys like, oh, beer and hunting, and it's like, okay, well, some people do like that, but some people don't. So that's what we got him. It also was kind of a little bit difficult because we did buy Christmas presents like a couple weeks ago too for everyone. So it was like, okay, we're doing this again, but for wedding presents. So next up is my maid of honor, Queenella, and these are things that I picked out for her. Again, she has the same tote style as our mom's, but her stuff is very different. So the first thing that I got is this little hanger. Again, it's like nature-y themed, so these colors work perfectly with our wedding color palette. But again, I almost went with maid of honor, but I just thought I want her to probably reuse this in the future, so this is her name on it. I love this so much. I think that it's really cute and personalized. I also got her a robe for us to get ready in, so a lot of this is just like, hey, we're gonna use this right now for our thing. So I got her this robe. Again, it's like nature-y color, and I wanted it to be something that she could wear, and I know that she likes colors like this. I was thinking mostly of what she would like versus what are my wedding colors. This robe feels very luxurious and soft and satiny, and I love it personally. If I do have pictures of Queenella in time wearing this, it'll be here, and this is how ours looked like. And that's what I got her. Now next up is me. I got stuff for me. I didn't actually get stuff for me. This is more out of convenience because I know that I'm gonna be on the go. So I figured, I love these bags so much, I was like, let me get one for myself. And I also have my robe here. And I also got a hanger with Queenella, like same theme, except mine says Mrs. Casa. But that's currently hanging my wedding dress right now, so I'm not about to like move that wedding dress because I don't want wrinkles on it, so it's gonna stay there. And then I have this like little emergency kit that I got from Etsy for myself, which has a bunch of things. I added the fashion tape because I am actually gonna have a reception dress, which is a little surprise, but since this video is getting posted after the wedding, y'all can know now. And it has a really deep V, but I don't wanna pop out, so I figured this works amazing. Like, this is the best fashion tape I ever had. It didn't come off at all when I've been practicing with it. It has a bunch of other stuff just in case, like shout wipes, Kleenex, a pad, although I don't think I'll be on my period, a protein bar just in case I get hungry, a razor, a mint, tampons, other like emergency kit, and medicine too in case I get sick, deodorant. It just has so much. I totally recommend it, and it has stuff that you would never think to put, but it's good to have if you, because I just have so much on my plate right now, I didn't want to have to construct my own. And yeah, and then I'm also gonna change my shoes for our dance, and so I'm going to put that in another little knapsack because obviously I don't want it to stain anything that's in here, and it'll be transported in this canvas bag. So that's why I got one, is because I'm just gonna be up and about and I don't want to like lose track of things. So next up is my favorite part, which are our ring bearers and flower girl. I'll start with the biggest one first. So Tyler is our ring bearer, and for these I did put ring bearer, and I know I was just talking about how I usually like when it's their name, but it has both because I feel like as a kid you kind of forget, so it's kind of nice to have a little reminder. But it's very cute. It's also very sturdy. I like this one a lot. And they also make the flower girl one. We spent so long brainstorming what to get the kids. I had no idea what to get them. Kind of wanted it to be a similar theme, but since the kids are 7, almost 5, and almost 3, it's kind of like, oh, okay, well, I hope you guys like this. All of a sudden, I was just thinking. I was like, dude, what if I got them Build-A-Bears? Because Build-A-Bears are awesome. I wanted to build a bear up until I was like 13, so I don't think it has like an age restriction. I know that Tyler really likes Pokemon and he likes cozy things too to sleep with. So I got him this really awesome Pikachu bundle. So he's wearing like a Charizard outfit, and it also says like, and it also comes with a little card, which I know he probably has like 10 Pikachu Pokemon trading cards because he also loves playing with the trading cards. But it's really cozy and cuddly, and that's why we got that for him. And it also comes with the second outfit because it was like a whole bundle, and it has the little Pokeball, but it's like a hoodie with holes for Pikachu's ears, which was cute. So this one was a very fancy Build-A-Bear. So when I was looking at Build-A-Bear for Max and Haley, they didn't cost as much as this one. So I got them second presents because this one had a second outfit, a trading card, and this one talks. So yeah, next up we'll do Max because he's another ring bearer. And Max is almost 3 years old. Max lives in Philadelphia or near Philadelphia, and his dad is an Eagles fan. So I got him a traditional bear because he loves Mickey Mouse, but I couldn't find like a good Mickey Mouse Build-A-Bear. So I thought, okay, let's just do traditional because he's still learning what he likes at his age. But I got him a little Eagles hoodie. This bear is so cute and it's so cuddly and it pays homage to his hometown. So I hope it's something that he utilizes throughout his childhood, something that maybe I hope he sleeps with when he's old enough, or if he's old enough. I don't really know much about when babies can sleep with toys. But like I said before, because Tyler's was so extravagant and had all those additions, we got him a second toy. And Max's second toy, he loves trucks a lot. So we got him this like hippie van because I feel like this hippie van is me and Mike together and our vibe of our wedding. So it's really cute, and you can like, it's one of those ones that you roll and it goes super fast. We got this at Target. But yeah, so I thought this could be something that he could play with while the wedding is happening. And lastly but not least, I got this for the flower girl Haley. So again, it's from the same shop as the ring bearers, which I thought was really important because I wanted it to have uniformity, and a lot of shops, for whatever reason, only have things for flower girls or only things for ring bearers. She is into Rainbow Dash from My Little Pony, so when I saw this, I was like, oh my god, this is perfect for her. She was actually Rainbow Dash for Halloween last year. When I saw that this was an option, I had to get it. It had outfits, but I don't know, I couldn't find anything that was like Rainbow Dash material, if you know what I'm saying. So I left her bare, but I did get something else for Haley. So I wanted to get her some jewelry, but I wanted it to be personalized. So I got this little bracelet with the letter H on it for her name. And it's made for children, I think. It's from the shop Jewelry for All. I just thought that it was really cute and delicate and kind of could go with anything. And again, like simple, which is kind of the theme of our wedding, is simple, rustic, chill vibes. At least that's what I'm hoping it is. So that is everything that I got everyone from our wedding party and what Mike got as well. I wanted to make this video because I know that I was at a loss of what to get people. You're already like doing so many things, so when you have to think presents for people, giving gifts to people isn't something that I was used to for weddings. I never heard of that before, and it was something I never saw. It's something that's not done, at least in my experience, in Venezuela. Yeah, but I really like it. I think it's a nice way of saying thank you, because on your wedding day, you're just going through so much, talking to so many people that you kind of forget to say thank you. So I hope that they love it, and I hope that this gives you guys ideas for what you're gonna get for people. But I definitely, my favorite thing out of all of it is the canvas bags. I think that that's something that people could just keep using on and on and on. So that concludes my video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it, and I hope you guys have a lovely rest of your day.